Meet T. She's going to show us how to make her absolutely divine cinnamon scrolls. First up, T adds sugar to warm milk. Then she adds a little bit of yeast and lets that sit for 10 minutes.
The yeast feeds on the sugar.
T places flour in a bowl and adds her special pumpkin spice mix from Canada.
It gives me memories to have like Canadian things in my pantry.
She's been making these scrolls long enough that she doesn't need to be precise with measurements.
When you've made it a few times, then I would say you're at like mom or grandmother level.
She calls that the force.
So 3/4 of a tablespoon, and I'm just doing this.
Yep,
So
the force.
the force, and just like, some pinches.
Next, she adds pumpkin puree, which she makes from scratch.
And there's this little hack that I do because it has a lot of water come out of it. I just fold up a paper towel and put it on, and it soaks up a lot of the liquid.
Now it's time to combine the wet ingredients with the yeast mixture. Then it's everybody's favorite part, kneading.
So this is a rings off time, and just go for it. It's gonna
So the colour has changed too. You can see the
Yes,
pumpkin influence.
it's a really nice orange. The pumpkin spice. So it goes in there, nice and healthy.
T lets the dough rise for a little bit of time.
How many hours is that?
Well, it really only needs an hour. It feels perfect. So this is brown sugar with cinnamon. Mix it together, so then you already have it combined and evenly distributed. And then it's a lot easier to just spread across.
Something I could probably eat with a spoon.
I know, it is so good.
When you're selling your house, this is the recipe you want in the oven because it smells divine. These are a good size.
Oh, they're a great size. They're hearty. Okay, and then let's pile them in.
And so you've got to give a bit of space between them.
Yeah, they do rise again, so we do a second rise. Okay, and then with this, I just then smother on a little bit, or in between a little bit as well.
T pops them in the oven for 23 minutes and makes a maple cream cheese frosting in the meantime.
That's nice. Does it smell amazing?
Beautiful golden scrolls are ready for frosting.
Thank you, T, so much for making this divine set of scrolls for us. I can't wait to taste them. Bon appetito.
Bon appetito! Enjoy!
Find T's pumpkin cinnamon scrolls with maple cream cheese frosting on bestrecipes.com.au.